ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமக. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமக. தசகம் 75 ஸ்லோகா 2. பாபிஷ்டாபேஹி மார்காத் த்ருதமிதி வச்சசா நிஷ்ఠுர க்ருத்த புத்தேஹே அம்பஷ்டஸ்ய பிரணோதாத் அதிகஜவஜுஷா ஹஸ்தினா गृह्यमाणः केलिमुक्तोऽथ गोपी कुचकलशचिरस्पर्धिनं कुम्भमस्य व्याहत्यालीयथास्त्वं चरणभुवि पुनर्निर्गतो वल्गुहासि. Word by word meaning. Hey Papishta, you wicked creature. Margat, from the way. Dhrutam, quickly. Apehi, move away. Iti vachasa, at these words of thine. Nishthura kruddha buddhehe, of the cruel and angry. Ambashtasya, of the Mahout. Pranodat, at the prompting. Adhikaja vajusha, java, speed. Jusha, by one having. By the very fast. Hastina, elephant. Grihyamanah, being caught. Tvam, thou. Keli muktaha, releasing thyself as if it was mere play. Atha, then. Gopi kucha kalasha chiraspardhinam. Gopi kucha kalasha, with the pot-like breasts of the gopikas. Chiraspardhinam, which had been competing since long. Which had been competing with the breasts of the gopikas since long. Asya kumbham, his, the elephant's forehead. Vyahatya, hitting strongly. Charana bhuvi, between the legs of the elephant. Aliyathaha, didst hide. Punaha, then. Valguhasi, smiling charmingly. Nirgataha, didst come out. Full meaning. On thy saying, you wicked creature, quickly move away from the way, the elephant at the prompting of the cruel and angry Mahout rushed very fast and caught thee, releasing thyself as if it was mere child's play. Thou didst hit with force the frontal lobe of the elephant, which rivaled the pot-like breast of the gopikas, and didst hide thyself between his legs. Then thou didst come out smiling charmingly. Om Tat Sat.